Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'll do a live one with my face today. I just tried to upload this video and it got rejected. I got a strike, so I have to be very careful with what I post. And I'll start off with a warning. So this tutorial is for educational purposes only. I don't condone any act of computer misuse or like cybercrime or anything illegal. So don't do that. This is specifically to teach you objectives from the KLCP so you can become a Kali Linux certified professional. Okay, so now that's clear. What I'll do differently in this video is I won't even run any payload. So I've got Meterpreter up. So this video is about Meterpreter shells. It's to teach you the basics of what a Meterpreter shell is. Okay, so let's start with the first one, the first command that we have in the help manual. We'll look at core commands first. Background. So I can take the session that I'm in because I have a session already and I can move it to the background, right? Okay, so now I've got 2 or 3 sessions going on and I'm going to do the next command will be sessions. So that means that you can jump around quickly, session to session in just one terminal. Okay, let's try that out. Do whenever this finishes getting the shell. Just a moment. This is live, and it's how it goes. Well, yeah, my host is up. Okay, so it took a while. Sorry. So we'll move around. Sessions. Boop. Sessions. Boop. And you can actually choose a session ID you want. I have like 3 sessions right now. So that's pretty cool. You don't have to open 3 different terminals. You can just do it from one. Okay, you can disable your sessions. You can get different GUI IDs and use that and connect to that. It's pretty cool. Next. So file systems. So a lot of file system commands from both Linux and Windows in here. So let's say we do dir, directory command from Windows, right? Basic one. You can actually do dir. You can do a dir. And I believe it lists it like it's a ls. Yeah, just like the Linux command. See, has all the different file properties like a Linux station would. So that's pretty cool. It's flexible. So if you like to use Windows, you can use Windows commands. For some reason, if you want to use your Linux knowledge, that's fine too. So it's a pretty intelligent shell, the Meterpreter shell. Okay, we can download a file. So let's try that. And we just saw the files available, right? So let's do zip. Okay. I think I already downloaded that one anyway earlier in my first video. This is the second one. And yeah, right there, we have the DLL that we just saw right from the terminal. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, now we're gonna upload a file. Okay. We were just looking at this, right? So I made a file here. It's just a plain text file, nothing special. It just says my name's Callie. So we're gonna move it over. So we're gonna say upload and then the file name. is Callie. Okay, and you can see that it's successfully uploaded. I wonder if I can like star.txt. I'm not sure what the file extension is. Maybe I don't have any. Can I do ls? No, I can't do that. Okay. Anyway, moving on. We saw it upload. That's good enough. I'm not gonna open the VM that I'm using because it's kind of pushing it a bit in terms of content violation. Okay. Next. Okay, moving on. So yeah, I can download files, you can upload files, pretty cool. You can make directories. Sure, let's just do a make directory as the Windows command, right? So I'll call it test123. Okay, we're creating directory, test123. Should I comb through an ls to find that test directory? Okay, let's be patient and do it. See how detailed this is. So test123 folder would be, I guess, at the top here. It's a big command. Being patient. Okay, here we go. It doesn't list folder structure. And if it does, I think we passed it. Okay. It's T. Do we see test123? Oh, we do. Yes, there we go. Okay. So patience is a virtue, folks. Okay, that took a minute, but yeah, see, it's there. Ho ho ho. Okay, next, what else? You can search for files like a grep. Okay. Let's just do an example of that. I haven't done that yet. First time. Minus F. Okay, I gotta do minus F. And will it find it? I wonder how long that takes. Let's see. Drink some water while we wait. And yep, here you go. Found 4 different files that are, yeah, these are all different. Okay. Are they listing it twice? Yeah, it's listing this twice. Interesting. All right, moving on, network commands. So you can ARP. You can see all the MACs and what they're routing to. Pretty cool. Proxy? Is there a proxy? I don't know, I never run this command. Let's see. Now there's no proxy on the host. So that's very useful if you need to see different network settings on that host. So I've config and IP config. It's a joke. They are actually IF config in Linux bash. So that's kind of good to know, right? You can port forward. You can route. How about that? That's pretty cool. So yeah, you can move around and route connections. Okay, clear event log. And it does indeed clear the events on that system, but be careful because there will be an audit of it. That's still on the system. Get an environment variable. So that's really interesting. You can just list the environment variables. Let's do an app data. And indeed, we see what app data really is stored, I guess, somewhere in that registry. So that's really useful, right? Okay, you can kill the process. So a lot of Linux commands, mostly here. You can drop down into a system shell. I did that in the last video, but no point in today's video because it's about interpreter shells. I do like the sysinfo. I find that to be pretty useful. really quick. You get like MS Info 32 kind of deal. You can view the desktop and stuff. I'm not going to get into the other things, but I do find that being able to view is interesting. So we're going to do get desktop. That's a pretty cool tool. Sorry. Screen, so it was screen share, not that one, screen share. Okay. This is a live video, folks. None of this is rehearsed. Since I don't have a webcam, I'm not going to do the webcam ones. Hey, cool, huh? It's Windows 7 machine. Yeah, that's what we're testing on. It's just a test, not real victim. Okay, moving on. I believe, can I end that task? There we go. Had to end it. A little buggy. I believe that I'm already like kernel level, like anti-authority system, but say we want to run that command already. There you go. Okay, you can do a SAM file, which is good to know. You need to be able to use these different tools in Kali Linux. Wait, did I do it correctly? Yeah. Oh, got a bunch of errors here. So that was not what I thought I would get. For some reason, it only ran one, but hey, okay, there you go. That's an example of a SAM dump. K times. Now look at the times dump, and I'll look at the help file for this one, and it'll be the last command. So you would use this to change the time tickets on different files and such. Pretty interesting. So there's a lot of different modules that you'll need to know for that exam. And I find these to be the most useful and fun to play with. So you can set up a lab like I did. You can set up a virtual machine just like I did. And you can play around and learn and study and prepare for that exam. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. How do I end this? There we go.